everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Chanel unboxing. This is my biggest Chanel purchase ever. I've never spent that much money in Chanel in one go. It's crazy. I can't believe I finally have it and I can't wait to show you what I got. So if you're interested, keep watching. Trust me guys, I cannot wait to finally unbox it and see my baby and take it out and wear it. So yeah, I'm filming this video the next day. I bought it yesterday. I vlogged, so there should be a shopping vlog on my channel already. If you've missed it, you can go check it out. I'll link it in the description and also up here. So yeah, go check it out and watch the shopping vlog first if you want, but you can watch this video and then watch the shopping vlog, like it doesn't matter. Can you guys tell how excited I am? I need to chill, slow down, relax and unbox this. So before that, I wanted to thank Lilysilk for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. They reached out again and they wanted to send me some new items that I will be showing you in this video and styling later on with my new purchase. But before that, I quickly wanted to show you the beautiful boxes and the pieces that I chose. So I did choose 3 tops and I will be styling them, as I mentioned, with my new Chanel. So the first one is this cami top. You know how much I love cami tops. I live in them. I love wearing them with blazers. They're very simple, but they can elevate a look, make it look a bit more expensive and chic. So I do love these tops and that's why I picked 2, one in white and one in black. I definitely wanted to add some more good quality tops like this in my wardrobe because I wear them a lot and I want to stop buying all these high street ones from Zara and H&M. They don't feel the same, they don't look the same, and they look like satiny but they're actually polyester and they're not nice. Whereas these feel nice, they look nice and luxurious, they're really good quality, they're made so well, they're 100% mulberry silk and I love them. They're also really good for your skin, they have really good skin benefits. They are very gentle on your skin, they don't irritate your skin. I also have pillowcases from Lilysilk that are silk and I sleep on silk pillowcases. I've been sleeping on silk pillowcases for months now and I love them. They're the best thing ever. I highly recommend you invest in those as well. I have definitely noticed difference in my skin. It looks more glowy. Like cotton can be quite rough on your skin and irritate your skin, especially if your skin is acne prone, and it's also good for your hair. So yeah, and I also picked up this little number. So this here is a shirt. If you've watched my shopping vlog, you will see that I already wore this shirt and you can see how I styled it. But as I mentioned, I will style all these items later on and show you how I wear them and how good they look on with my new purchase. So let's get started because I can't wait any longer and I want to show you. It's heavy. I want to show you my new baby. Okay. Oh, this always feels so amazing. Every time I see one of these Chanel boxes with the ribbons and the camellias, I'm like, my heart skips a beat. Guys, do you remember, if you've been watching me, I did mention in one of my vlogs, okay, let me do this here. Do you guys remember in one of my recent vlogs, kind of recent vlogs, I did try on something and I did say this is going to be my next bag. How many of you remember that? Alright, so now is the time to pause the video and comment and tell me if you guessed what I got. So, oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually unboxing this. Take a deep breath. Did you guys guess? Oh my gosh, I can see it. Did you guys guess? Did you guess? Let me leave the box somewhere. Okay. Just rip it. believe this. Let's remove all the plastic. This is the best bit ever. Best feeling, removing all these plasticky bits. Okay, there is one more here on the big Chanel plate. I'm actually shaking right now. I'm a bit shaky, I'm not gonna lie. Bye bye. So this is my newest baby. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It is perfect. What do you guys think of the color? So this is my new Chanel baby in the green from the 19B collection in lambskin, small size, gold hardware and chevron pattern. So a little story about this bag. I have been looking at this bag for a couple of months, and I think the first time I realized that I love this bag and this will be my next handbag was when I went shopping in Selfridges and tried on the blue one, and I was just waiting for the perfect color, and it finally arrived with the Chanel pre-collection. And it is so funny because I wasn't planning on making any big purchases until the winter collection that's coming out in September. I was saving so much because I know I want to buy so many things from that collection. This is probably one of my favorite Chanel collections, and it is Karl Lagerfeld's last collection, so I really wanted to save and buy loads of from that collection. I do have a list that I have given to my essays with items that I'm interested in from that collection, and because my list was quite long, I sent them pictures with all the items that I'm interested in. I knew I had to save and not spend my money before that. So when the pre-collection came out, I was like, okay, there isn't really anything from that pre-collection that I like that much. I mean, there were some really nice items that I loved and I shared with you on my Instagram, but I wasn't crazy about them and I didn't want to spend my money before the main collection drops. So I was like, okay, that's good, I'm safe. However, me and Laura decided to go shopping one day, and actually there is a vlog, there is a shopping vlog from that day. I will link that down below as well. That is actually a very fun vlog. It's one of my favorite vlogs, so do check it out. And I went to Chanel on Sloane Street to check out a pair of sneakers, and I mean, they were really nice, I liked them, but they weren't for me, and I decided not to buy any more sneakers because I already have so many sneakers. I keep buying sneakers. I decided to ask my essay. I have the loveliest essay there. Her name's Judith, so if you're interested you can go and ask for her, she's lovely. So I asked her, hey, did you receive any new colors in the trendy? She knew what colors I was looking for. I did mention to her that I was interested in a green, grey or beige in chevron in small, and she was like, you know what, I think we received something today. I think she said today or like the day before, and I'll go check because I think there might be something that you like. And then she brought up this baby and she showed it to me, and I died. I literally died. I was like, no freaking way that you have this bag in green, because you know how much I've been loving green lately. Like, I'm so obsessed with everything green and I really wanted a green bag. I've been wanting a green bag for a while. Do you guys remember that Prada Cahiers bag in green that I was obsessed with? So yeah, finally I have my green bag and I love it so much, and it is the most beautiful green shades ever. I'm not sure how it's showing. I think it's showing pretty true to color, but I will insert some clips for you to see it up close. And yeah, it is so beautiful. It is amazing. It is a very expensive piece. You might be like, but wait a minute, you have the Chanel Jumbo, which is like more money than this. Well, yeah, technically my Chanel Jumbo is £5,000 now, I think, which is true. So this is cheaper than the Chanel Jumbo. However, I bought my Chanel Jumbo years ago and it was still cheap. It was £3,500 back then. So yeah, that's the most I've spent on a Chanel handbag, and it is £4,000. So you know that all Chanel bags come beautifully wrapped in the boxes, and they come with a dust bag, and also they come with this booklet. Let me leave this baby here for a bit. So all the Chanel handbags come with these little booklets, and you have the cloth, which is very important. Use these, guys. I would normally spray my lambskin bags. I don't have that many lambskin bags, but now actually I do have a few that I've recently added. So it is good to use these cloths for your, especially for your lambskin leather goods. And what I do is I will spray protective sprays. I will link down the ones that I use to protect the leather, and it also prevents color transfer. And then I would rub it with the cloths. Also, look at me wearing this glove, I don't want to take it off now. But also, if you do scratch your bag, do not panic. Massage the leather and gently use this. Spray one of the hydrating sprays that I will also link down below, the ones that I use, on the leather, and massage it with the cloth. So yeah, this is the bag. Let me quickly open it. It looks a bit like the, what was it called? The Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. It has similar design on the side, but like much nicer. Anyway, so this is the bag inside. Let me take all the paper out and show you. So this is the bag inside. It's all leather. That's why the bag is so expensive, because this bag is all leather, very luxurious, lambskin, and this metal gold plate on the top is amazing. I think these are now classic bags. They weren't classic, but I think the trendy CC bags are now classic for Chanel, and I really would recommend you invest in one of these because they keep going up in price. Like 3 years ago, I believe this bag was not even 3,500, I think. So yeah, it has gone up a lot. And now that it's a classic, it will keep going up. Chanel does like 2-3 price increases per year. It's crazy. So if you're interested in this bag, definitely go and get one. I do love these in a fun color. I think they are more modern, and yeah, the look of them is more modern and young. I do love the design, and I didn't actually own a chevron Chanel handbag. This is my first chevron from Chanel, and I love it. I think it's more chic and young and modern and trendy. So I love it. So yeah, that's the bag. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let me leave this baby here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you loved the looks and how I styled it. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've guessed the color and the bag that I got. Thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to come follow me on my other social media platforms. Come say hi on my Instagram, because you will see me style this bag with so many outfits, and I can't wait to wear it and photograph it and show it to you. So if you're interested, come follow me here. I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys. Yoshi, come see my new bag. Come. Do you like my new bag? Do you like my new bag? Hey, why are you so cute?